Alright guys, here's my 1991 Honda Accord, the CB7. This is a 2.2 liter, 4-cylinder, 16 valve, non-VTEC. Alright, took off my balancer. What I did afterwards is just grab a hammer or something solid and hit it pretty hard a couple times, and then try to grab it again with a clean shirt, and it comes right out. It has the Woodruff key, so just don't forget to always put that back. And once we get behind this, we can take off the metal piece and get straight into the seal, which from what I can tell, it's leaking. What I use is rubbing alcohol, which works fine, and just clean it around, so make sure when you put your new seal in, you're not gonna have any dirt seeping in there. I'm gonna use a really tiny screwdriver to try to pry this out. If it doesn't work, I would use a screw. Turn it in with the screwdriver, and then once it penetrates the rubber, I'll pull it out with some pliers. And here's my new seal. Seal looks exactly like that one in there. It fits. Do a little visual check, just, oh, yep, looks like it'll fit, looks right. Okay, make sure the surfaces are clean. Bucket, just in case we do have oil spill. Screwdriver, a screw. You just wedge it in there. And then I use a little lever thing like this, so I could pry it out. So, no oil came out, nice. Your new one. Wedge it in there evenly. Once it's in position, you grab something flat, sturdy that can, transfer some power in there. And then you grab something to hit it with, preferably not your ratchet. And you start to tap it little by little on each side, and it'll go in. If you start to see the gasket start to crumble up or come out on one side, just grab a little tiny screwdriver and give it a little push, not too hard because you don't want to break that seal, but it'll shrink back into place if you just touch it. For this is your seal. This should not leak anymore. That should be fine. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy.